Hello and welcome to English Pod Studio. I'm very happy that you are here with me today. This video is made to help you practice English listening and speaking. If you listen carefully and repeat the sentences, it will help you improve step by step. So relax, listen slowly, and enjoy this lesson. Today, I want to talk about something that every learner asks. What is the best time to learn English? Many people say, I am too busy, or I don't have enough time. Or even, maybe I am too old to learn. But the truth is, there is always a best time for you. The best time may not be the same for everyone, but there are good moments in the day and in life that can make learning easier and more fun. Let me begin with the morning. Many people feel fresh and clear in the morning. After a good night's sleep, your brain is ready to learn. If you study English in the morning, you may remember words more easily. Even 10 or 15 minutes in the morning can be powerful. For example, you can listen to a short podcast, read a page from a book, or practice speaking in front of a mirror. The morning gives you quiet energy, but not everyone likes the morning. Some people feel tired when they wake up. For them, maybe the afternoon is better. In the afternoon, after you have eaten lunch and finished some work, your body feels more active. You can use this time to practice speaking with friends or watching a video in English. Sometimes, energy in the afternoon can help you stay focused. Evening is another special time. In the evening, your day is almost finished. You may want to relax. And learning English can also be relaxing if you make it light and simple. For example, you can watch a movie with subtitles, listen to an English song, or write a few sentences in your journal. Evening study is not about working hard. It is about making English part of your daily life in a soft and calm way. So, is morning the best time? Or afternoon? Or evening? The answer is, it depends on you. The best time is the time when you feel most ready to learn. If you feel awake and happy in the morning, then morning is your best time. If you feel strong in the afternoon, then afternoon is better. If you feel calm in the evening, then evening works for you. In this podcast, we will go deeper into this idea. We will talk about learning at different ages, learning with different goals, and also how to make time for English when you feel busy. Because the truth is, there is not only one best time. There are many good times, and the important thing is to use them well. Now let's look at another question. Does age matter? Is there a best age to learn English? Many people believe that children learn languages more easily. It is true that young children can pick up sounds and words very quickly. They are not afraid to make mistakes, and they enjoy playing with language. When a child learns English, they often sing songs, play games, and watch cartoons. They learn in a natural and fun way. But this does not mean that adults cannot learn. In fact, adults have many advantages. Adults already know how to study, how to plan, and how to stay focused. They understand grammar better, and they can connect new English words with their own life experience. So the best time to learn English is not only when you are a child. Any age can be the best time, if you are willing to learn. For example, a student may learn English to pass an exam. A young worker may study English to get a better job. A traveler may learn English to feel safe and confident in another country. An older person may learn English just to enjoy movies or to talk to grandchildren. Each goal is different, and each goal gives a reason to learn. That reason becomes your best time. Sometimes people say, I am too old, I cannot remember. But remember this, learning is not about age. It is about habit. If you study a little every day, your brain becomes stronger. Just like exercise makes your body healthy, practice makes your mind ready for English. Even 5 minutes a day is better than nothing. Now let's think about busy lives. Many people say they are too busy to learn English. They have work, family, school, or other responsibilities. But the truth is, the best time is often hidden inside your day. For example, when you are on the bus, you can listen to an English podcast. When you are cooking, you can play English music in the background. When you are waiting for someone, you can read a few words on your phone. These small times add up. Little by little, your English improves. You don't need hours of study. You just need regular moments. These moments can be in the morning, afternoon, or night. They can be short or long. The important thing is to use them. Even busy people can learn English if they choose to use these small windows of time. In this way, the best time is not only about the clock. It is also about your situation and your choice. If you are a student, maybe your best time is before school. If you are a worker, maybe your best time is during a lunch break. If you are retired, maybe your best time is in the evening when you are relaxed. So we see that the best time is different for everyone. The important thing is to find your time and use it wisely. Now, I want to share how to build a habit of learning English. Because the truth is, the best time is not only about when you study. It is also about how often you study. Think about brushing your teeth. You do it every day, usually at the same time. You do not ask yourself, should I brush today or not? You just do it. It is part of your life. In the same way, if you make English practice a daily habit, it becomes easier. You don't need to fight with yourself. You don't need to wait for motivation. Habit makes the decision for you. So how do we build this habit? The secret is to start small. Maybe you study for just 5 minutes a day. Read one short article, listen to one song, or learn one new word. 5 minutes is easy. But if you do it every day, you build a strong routine. After a while, 5 minutes can grow into 10, then 15. Slowly, English becomes part of your daily life. The next step is to connect learning with another daily activity. For example, listen to English while drinking your morning coffee. Read a short English text after lunch. Write one English sentence before bed. If you connect English with something you already do, it feels natural. You will not forget, because the habit is tied to your routine. Another way to make any time the best time is to keep English close to you. Put English books on your desk. Change your phone to English. Follow English channels on YouTube. If English is around you, it becomes easier to practice anytime. You don't need to look for the best time, because every time can be a small practice moment. Of course, some days will be hard. You may feel tired or busy. On those days, remember this: even a little practice is better than nothing. If you only read one sentence, it is still progress. If you only listen for 2 minutes, it is still practice. The important thing is not to stop. Small steps keep the habit alive. Let me give you an example. Imagine a person who studies English for 2 hours on one day, but then does nothing for 2 weeks. Compare that with another person who studies for 10 minutes every day. Who will improve more? The answer is the second person. Why? Because daily habit is stronger than random big effort. This is why I say, the best time is the time you can keep every day. Now let's make a short recap. The best time to learn English is different for everyone. Some people like the morning, some prefer the afternoon, and some feel better in the evening. Children learn in a natural way, but adults can also learn well with focus and experience. Busy people can use small moments during the day, like travel time or waiting time. And most importantly, when you make English a daily habit, any time becomes the best time. So my message to you is this: do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for more free time, or for the weekend, or for tomorrow. Start today, even if it is only for 5 minutes. Because the best time to learn English is the time you choose right now. Thank you for joining me in this podcast. I hope this has given you motivation and clear ideas for your own learning. Remember, English Pod Studio is here to help you listen, practice, and grow step by step. Keep going, keep smiling, and keep learning every day. The best time is yours to choose.